To make a map, you need data. QGIS allows you to generate data using processing tools. For a grid or graticule, we can use create grid polygons at 30 degrees intervals, but this might seem too generalized when using a projected coordinate system like equal Earth. So we can use the densify tools to smooth things out. We can dissolve the grid for a base layer and use draw effects to help the outline pop. Then we can use create grids again, only this time producing lines. Cleaning up processing artifacts is easy with edit mode in QGIS, and we can select the equator and generate an array of offset lines using the selected geometry to generate the tropics. Moving features between layers in edit mode is a simple cut and paste operation, but we can also copy symbologies to speed up development. Add the natural earth boundaries by typing world into the coordinate bar, then style the polygon fill and set the stroke with an expression to automatically darken the currently selected symbol color. Use rule-based rendering to apply a custom style to Antarctica and Greenland. Then load the MapZen terrain tiles with a hillshade style to apply texture to the map. You can use blending modes such as multiply with rendering adjustments as an alternative to layer opacity. An inverted polygon renderer can be used to mask off any unwanted areas, and all that remains to round out the map are some map decorations like a title. Adding branding can be done with decorations too, but we can also use a virtual point layer with image styles, which are easier to position precisely. With that, export your map and keep enjoying QGIS.